Welcome back to AM Northwest. Okay, if you haven't jumped into home ownership, now is a great time. Here to share financing options for first-time home buyers, we welcome back from Prime Lending Senior Loan Officer Stuart Sandor, along with Berkshire Hathaway Realtor Jordan Jones. Good to have you both with us.
Glad to be here.
Let's first of all, what makes a first-time home buyer?
Good question, Helen. A lot of people don't know that, of course, it's people that haven't bought a house before, but people that haven't owned a house in the last 3 years.
Wow, which is unusual because you'd think that it's never bought a house forever, but I like the idea. And you say there's some special loans for first-time home buyers.
Right. So probably the most popular is a conventional loan, and that's just a regular everyday loan. You can put either 3% or 5% down for that.
That's what we most commonly see.
See that?
Okay.
And then FHA is a very popular first-time home buyer loan, and that makes up a good majority of the first-time buyer loans because they're more forgiving. You can do gifts. They're a little more lenient on credit scores.
And what do you mean gifts?
Someone can gift you a down payment.
Oh, I like that. Okay.
Good to have friends and family
like that who can gift you. Yes.
Right.
Okay.
And then, of course, VA is a very good first-time buyer vehicle because there's no down payment required, but of course you got to have served in the military for that. And then USDA is another popular first-time buyer loan.
Okay, and are there limits to what somebody can buy if they're a first-time home buyer?
Yeah, so right now, and this is actually a good time to bring this up because the limits just went up for 2019, and it's a lot. A first-time buyer that's putting 3.5% down can buy all the way up to $492,000 price of a home.
Okay.
And if you put 5% down, you can go all the way up to $510,000.
Okay.
That's a lot of house.
Yeah, that's a lot of house. That's incredible. Is now a good time to buy, Jordan?
It is. The Portland market right now is really healthy, and there is, with interest rates that have just gotten lowered.
Down.
Yeah, and we also have a pretty healthy amount of inventory. So with the limit of 492,000, according to MLS, there's about 808 homes right now that are active on the market under
to be specific.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. 808. And a half.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And then just a little bit more for the 502 cap or the 510 cap at 854 homes that are active right now.
Now with federal workers being furloughed, I mean, is that affecting home buying at all?
Yeah, great question. We're having people think that that's not, people aren't able to close.
Working.
Yeah, there's two loans that are affected right now: reverse mortgages, which would not apply to first-time buyers; those are your grandma's kind of loans, and then the USDA. Right now, you have to have a government employee with the USDA sign off on those. So currently, those are not.
But the other loans are
all
doing
the rest
just
of them,
fine.
Yep.
Right. And let me ask you this, Jordan. So is it ever too early to kind of get your ducks in a row in case you want to go look at houses?
It
like
is never too early.
Get pre-approved kind of thing?
Yeah, kind of creating your team, so creating a realtor and finding a mortgage lender, awesome like Stuart himself. It's never too early to kind of figure out where you need to be credit score wise, income wise, and then also kind of having a team to help you and do the work for you to really help you figure out the type of home that you're looking for, the area, and then also the perfect loan program.
And why buy instead of rent?
Yeah, so there's a lot of advantages to buying. There's kind of the pride of home ownership.
Sure.
You're not kind of putting your money into a black hole.
Right.
You're investing into yourself, and you're investing into the equity of your home. And
you can paint it how you want it.
Exactly, yeah.
There's huge tax deductions. People don't realize when you buy a home, you can actually adjust the withholdings in your pay stub and get more out of your check every month because of the deductions you have owning a house.
Wow, that's fantastic.
It's a big thing.
Big thing, absolutely. So we're going to do this. We're going to tell folks if they'd like to find out more, especially for first-time home buyers, contact Prime Lending, the preferred lending team, 503-603-3333. We'll put that information for you on our website at katu.com. Stuart and Jordan, thank you both very much.
Thank you so
Happy to
much.
be here.